Just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and for today's video I am doing this eyeshadow tutorial using the Kylie Jenner Burgundy palette. I don't know, it's just so pretty. So yeah, I love the shades in here, and I rarely do anything like burgundy, so yeah, I want to do a look based off that. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Alright, so I did this eye, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye with you guys. Okay, so I'm using the Essence Smoky Eye Brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use the darkest color in here, which is Almond, and put this in my crease.
Never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell.
This is my first ever Kylie product, I think, that I've used, and so far I really like the eyeshadows. They're very pigmented and easy to blend, and they just go on so smoothly. So I'm gonna do something different, and I'm not gonna blend that color out like I usually do with like a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go straight into the burgundy shade and apply that on top. Now that I have that, I'm just gonna go back in with the shade Almond and just bring it a little higher up. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a transition shade, which in this palette it's Beach, and it is a really beautiful brown neutral shade, and I'm just gonna be applying that, tapping that on top of the burgundy shade. Switching brushes into the Wet n Wild fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and just blend the transition shade first before anything else, or before adding anything more. We're just blending the outer edges. I take some of that burgundy from the tip of the brush, and we're gonna go ahead and apply the burgundy on top, and we're just basically just blending this in, going a little bit over this hair, I swear, going a little bit over, just to make sure it all blends together seamlessly. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and cut the crease. Oh my god, it's hot in here. I'm gonna cut the crease, so I'm taking a flat brush.
Never have to close the door. Been a long time, a year before, and I'm missing you so bad. Gone away a month or more. Every show I go before, need to hear that voice, cause right now feels like it's been too long.
So now we're gonna add shimmer. I'm gonna go into Dubai. We're gonna go into Naked, which is this light golden shade, really pretty. Just going a little bit over that burgundy shade, and then I'm gonna grab a little bit of burgundy and just bring it down like this, and just blend it into the gold. I'm putting a little bit of P.Louise in the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go in with this little liner brush.
You're an angel, that's for sure. With some devil, hear you roar.
Like that, pretty thick, but this is pretty thick as well. So this angled brush is a BH Cosmetics brush. It came with the whole like set, but I don't know the set. It was something like rose quartz or something like that. Anyways, it's just a basic angled brush. And we're gonna go into burgundy. I'm gonna just start applying it on top of that base.
I'll never tell, just trust that I'll keep it locked in a cell. Never revealing no secrets you're keeping, these promises strong as a spell. I'll never tell.
Well, they look fairly similar. Okay, I don't know if to add liner like at the end for like when I put my lashes or not. Oh my god, I forgot to do my under eyes with you guys. Basically, I take the angled brush, I was using the BH angled brush, and I mixed the almond with the burgundy shade, and I go underneath my waterline and I stop right here. Now let me just pick a little bit more of the almond shade to make it a little darker. The Wet n Wild brush, we're gonna use this one, and we're gonna pick up a little bit of beach and just blend it underneath the eye. I put my hair up because it was bothering me, so we're just gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Air Volume Mega Mascara. And I don't know why I keep using this for. I really don't like it. It makes things so clumpy, but I'm just gonna put like a light layer, just like that. Well, maybe a little bit here, because it gets like really clumpy like super quickly. All right, we're just doing that and that's it. Also, I poked my eye with this one time. Not fun. We're gonna let that dry a little bit, and we're gonna go ahead and add some lashes. I already cut them and everything, so I'm just gonna put them on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I already have the lashes on. They're the Ioni 3D Fox Mink lashes in the style Sofia. So I have my eyes and lashes done, my under eyes. So now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face and I'll be back. Alright guys, that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to give it a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also ring that notification bell. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!